Hey everybody. Say hi.
Hey, hi.
Here's a quick video to help you get prepared for the 30-day arm challenges that we have coming up in July. We are going to focus on our arms. I'm going to participate in 2 challenges actually. One of them is going to involve weights, which we're going to talk about today, and the other one does not. So you can participate in both of them with me, or you can choose one that you want to do. So anyway, we're going to talk about the one that has weights, and they like to do it with me. So we're showing that they can do it with me and not necessarily do it with weights. Hunter here has toilet paper rolls that he is going to use as his pretend weights and do it with mommy, okay? And then Tommy has shaker weights, which are really light and easy for him to hold, okay? So we're just going to go ahead and demonstrate the 4 moves that are involved in the arm challenge with the weights, okay? And I will post the challenge on my Facebook page, Fitness and Fun with Your Kids, that you can go ahead and look at. So the first move for the challenge is rows, okay? Right? So they have, move back so they can see. So they have their weights, right? And mommy's back up. Real. See, this is real life with kids, right? So, no, I have my weights, which I generally use 8-pound hand weights now, okay? So the first challenge is rows, okay, guys? Can you do rows with me? Back up, Hunter, so they can see you. Otherwise, they can't see you, right? So the rows in this challenge, you're going to put your arms right in front of you, okay? You've got a flat back, and your knees are bent, okay? You're pulling your elbows back, and these rows, you're working your shoulders, okay? So you're pulling them up like this. Okay, you're not necessarily squeezing your elbows back because these are working your shoulders. You might be more used to these kind of rows where you're squeezing your shoulders and working your triceps, okay? This challenge wants you to work more your shoulders. Those are 5-pound weights, so Mama's going to use the 8, okay? So that's the first move of the challenge. The second move is shoulder presses, which the boys should be good at, right? So you hold your hands to your side.
Tommy,
you can do it with me? You hold your arms to the side, right? And you press all the way up. Press and squeeze down. Press all the way up and squeeze down. They're going to go all the way up and squeeze down. All the way up to your ears and squeeze down. Don't let your arms fall lower, okay, than your shoulders. The next move of the challenge is bicep curls. Pretty self-explanatory. Your palms are facing out, right? So away from you. You're squeezing up and down. You don't want to let your arms completely relax down here, okay? You're holding them up and down. And Hunter, get out of the way, kiddo. Hunter.
Out of the way.
Tommy, down. Down. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Okay, and the final move of the challenge with weights is tricep kickbacks, right? So again, you have the flat back, okay? Your elbows are bent.
They can't see you.
Your elbows are bent, right? And you're pushing your arms back, okay? The tricep kickback. These can be hard, okay? Hunter likes the camera. Okay, so that was just a quick review of the moves, and this again is the 30-day challenge with weights, okay? I'm also going to participate in the 30-day arm challenge without weights, so just doing upper body moves without weights, okay? And I'll post about that one too, also starting on July 1st. Again, if you want to check out the challenge, check out my Facebook page, Fitness and Fun with Your Kids. Also my blog, same name, fitnessandfunwithyourkids.com. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye. Have fun working out with your kids. I do. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.